Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title says, today I'm doing a tutorial with the ABH Prism palette. I am so excited. This is the first palette I've gotten from them and I like it. There's a lot of mattes, a lot of shimmers, and I use a little bit of everything as far as matte and shimmers, not every color, but I use quite a few colors. In the tutorial I show you which colors I use and where, so you can get this look. I really like the pop because that bright green, it kind of throws you off, but I feel like if you use it for like pops of color, like it really works. So I like how this look came out. I don't show you how I do my face because that just takes so much time, but I do show you how I do my brows because that's another product that I got when I went on this little use my Christmas gift card. I got Dip Brow, and it's the first time I've used Dip Brow because I have used cheaper dupes before, but this is my first time using it. This is the shade Dark Brown, so you guys will see how I do my brows too. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm definitely going to be doing more looks at this palette. Yes, probably some Facebook Live, so definitely check out for that. Stay tuned for that. And I think that's it. I did enough talking. Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a great New Year, great holiday, Christmas, whatever you celebrate. Yeah, don't forget to check out my blog, ninacelestesecrets.com. And I have lots of things in store for 2018. One of them being more consistency, so look out for more videos because that's one of my goals or resolutions, consistency. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you're still here listening to me ramble, subscribe, and here's the tutorial. Starting out right away with my brows, you guys saw that I'm using Dark Brown Dip Brow Pomade by ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills. And we know how important brows are, so I am just brushing through my brows, and right now I am filling in the bottom and the ends, just trying to even them out somewhat. And even when I'm done, they don't look exactly perfect. We know eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, but I want mine to be twins, so I try. I'm just brushing through their ends, doing short strokes, and then brushing through with the spoolie just to kind of blend it all in and see where I want to fill in more and where I filled in enough. And then as you see on both brows, as I got towards the inner portion, I turned my brush so I'm following the hair strokes because that just helps it look more natural when you're filling in your brows. So brows take the longest. This is sped up, but you guys get the gist of it. Going back, trying to perfect it, get it as filled in as I want. I don't know what I was looking for. Oh, the concealer. This is like my favorite part. Carving out my brows now, cleaning them up with concealer. I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. I have like 3 of them right now because I hate when I'm out of it. So they're so affordable. I just buy them all whenever I go because I go through them. Because I highlight and contour with them and I do my brows with them. Before I was stuck on this, I was using the MAC concealer that comes in a pump form that's liquid. That is amazing concealer too. I forgot the name of it, but I've been using the Pro Conceal for like maybe almost a year strong now. So I'm just carving out my brows and blending it out, and I'm going to the palette now. I'm so excited about this. This was one of the things I purchased with a Sephora gift card I got for Christmas. So with the shade Unity, I am just dusting that over the LA Pro Conceal because I put some of that all over my eyelid. And I'm just setting that with the shade Unity from the Prism palette really lightly because I also go back and use this as a brow bone highlight shade because it's a matte like brow bone color. And now I'm going in with the shade Eden, and it's like a cool light peachy tone. Some of the colors kind of get washed out as I'm trying to show you, but I'm just going in the crease area with a fluffy brush. This is from the like Chrome Wet n Wild brush collection, these brushes. Some of them are, the ones that look chrome are. I'm just going in my crease area, creating a good like foundation, you could say, for my look, because I feel like the transition area, the crease area, is so key to any look you do. And this shade now is Saturn. It's an orange shade. And all of these transition shades that I'm using that are going in my crease are all matte. So just keep that in mind. Matte shades. If I'm doing shimmer, glitter, something with a sheen, it's almost always only on the lid and the brow bone in the inner corner. But as far as the crease area, the transition area, matte. Like, you always have to go with matte, I feel. So I'm just building these shades up, blending them, blending, excuse me, blending them, really creating that like depth of color in the crease. And I'm going in with this darker brown shade called Parallel. And as I'm blending, the brush that I'm using in my crease is becoming less fluffy and getting more tapered, so I can deepen the color and kind of create that gradual effect. Before it was really spread out, the color really diffused, really blended out, and then it's getting more and more concentrated but still blending. So the brush size kind of gets smaller, as you guys can kind of see. And I'm using the same type of motions, just more deliberate with exactly where I'm putting it. The darkest color is going in the outer corner, and I'm just concentrating it there. You can see it's not going where the other two shades are, just a little bit more focused. And I don't know where the clip is, but on my lid, I'm so sorry guys, I just put the color Dimension. So if you have the palette, you can see that it's like a gray, purpley, like really shimmery metallic color. And that's what's on my lid. So I'm so sorry I don't have that clip. But in the inner corner now, where I'm going to put this pop of color, I'm putting the NYX white eyeshadow base first as a base. And so I'm just doing that so this bright pop of color really turns out to be bright and true to color the way it looks in the eyeshadow palette. That's how I want it to look on my eyes. So I have that white base down, and now I'm just going in with a small detailed brush. I think this brush that I'm using is from a Crown brush set that maybe was on sale on Hot Look. So I'm just using that to put that in the inner corner, and this bright pop of color will really open the eyes and just add something fun to it, because before adding this color, it was just like a pretty usual, I don't know, eyeshadow look, and then just adding this pop of color just kind of makes it fun and adds a little touch of like creativity, like, I don't know, a little unexpected, I don't know. I guess for me, adds a little something different to it. So I'm just going back and forth, adding more, adjusting it, trying to get it even, trying to make sure it's blended out and soft exactly in the same places. You know, I want to get it right. So I'm just doing that, trying to get it right, blend it, but still keep it bright and fun. I don't want to dust away the color as I'm blending. And now, as quick as that, I have my liner and lashes done, and I'm going to put Unity, and I used it before already, but I'm going to put Unity as a brow bone highlight, and I concentrate it right at the arch, and then I blend it down, so I get that nice bright brow bone. And then just blending, and this Unity, I use it all over to set my set my eyes, and it's matte, so I'm using this brow bone highlight today, and it is a matte one, but I use shimmery and matte brow bone highlights, but my transition colors are almost always matte. So face done. Like my little my little transition effects. But I have foundation on. I used Fit Me in Cappuccino, Ofra Absolute Cover in shade 09, and those two Black Radiance pressed powder shades are Golden Cashews. That's what I'm putting on right now just to kind of set my face where I have not highlighted. Where I highlighted, I used LA Girl Pro Perfecting Conceal. Not Perfecting Conceal, excuse me. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I just put Ben Nye over the top. And now I am going over my contour areas where I want to contour and kind of slim in shape. I'm using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Ebony. So I'm just doing that. I went in my cheekbones, along my jawline, just like on the sides of my chin, just to kind of give that a more defined look. And I'm contouring, I'm snatching that nose. I'm going to give myself a Michael Jackson nose. So I'm just putting that out, that powder in those areas. And I'm just taking a big powder brush, blending it all together, dusting it all away, getting rid of harsh lines, dusting away all of the extra powder so there's no crazy ashy look, casket ready look. I messed up my makeup a little bit, but I fixed it. Casket ready look, no ashy flashback look. Just making sure I get rid of all of that extra powder. And then I'm going to spray my Old Faithful NYX setting spray. It's the matte finish. But I like to spray that all over my face, kind of take down the powdery look, and that prepares for this bomb highlight, Hustler Baby from Fenty Beauty. And it's like a miniature one because it came in a set with her gloss that I'm also going to use. And so this is the Kilowatt highlighter, freestyle highlighter in Hustler Baby. Putting it on my nose, on my Cupid's bow above my top lip, my cheekbones. Where else do I put it? I think I already said chin, right? I'm going to put a little above my brow bone. And yeah, I think that's it. Just kind of really blending it, going over my foundation, going over it with my foundation brush just to blend it out, get it nice and even. And then I'm using MAC's Cork Liner to line my lips. I'm doing a really simple lip. I didn't feel like doing anything crazy or dramatic. Just a brown lip liner, MAC's Cork. And then in the center of the lips, I'm going to put ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Aquarius. It's a cream finish, kind of soft cream finish. And then I'm going to take Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. I'm just putting some of that, and that is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, no, I'm not done. I'm going back in with the palette just to smoke out the bottom. I'm going to use the orangey matte shade that I used, Saturn. And then I'm going to go in with the black. I'm going to go in with the shade Obsidian. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it, Obsidian, to just deepen my bottom lash line a little bit. And I'm going to bring it all the way into where I have the neon shade. So now I'm done. I added a little bottom mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out my new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.